Here I've got SHARP B10 and let me show you how to activate Portable Hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select more. Here you should select Personal Hotspot. And now by tapping on this switcher right next to Personal Hotspot, you can activate it. Then if you would like to set up your Wi-Fi hotspot, so if you would like to change network name and the password, click on Set up Wi-Fi hotspot. And here simply by tapping on the name, you can enter a new one. So let me enter HardReset. And then if you would like to change the password, tap on the eye icon to see what your current password is. Delete the current one and enter a new one. It will be email info. And tap on confirmation mark. Wait a couple of seconds until the changes are uploaded. And that's it. Now you can use your hotspot with the new name and also new password included. If you'd like to switch off Personal Hotspot, simply tap on the same switcher one more time. You can also activate Portable Hotspot quicker through the upper bar, simply slide it down and tap on the hotspot icon. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. Now you can share your network with other devices. If you'd like to switch it off, simply tap on it one more time. And that's basically all. This is how you can set up and use your Portable Hotspot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.